at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this. It is a Suzuki GSXS1000F. Absolute gorgeous bit of kit is this. I've owned one myself and they are mega bikes. This one is a 2018 68 plate and it's only done 1,573 miles. Got some nice tasty extras, including the factory decal kit on the sides there as well. It is a stunner of a bike, finished off in the gloss black and deep maroon red. Like I say, that sticker kit from Suzuki really just tips the bike. In regards to the what you can see, you've got a top luggage there just on top of your tank, and obviously the tail luggage as well. Show you the display. You've got your gear indicator. You can adjust the traction control systems on one of these, but it always gives you your full power. Being a 68 plate, it comes with a slipper clutch. Left hand side there, it is an absolute stunner of a bike. Like I say, they come with the slipper clutch. It's great looking. You've got your Renfo bars that you get with these as standard. They're about 150 horsepower from the factory. Lovely, lovely bike. You've probably noticed anyway the old LED winkers on the side there. Cracking. And also, it's got the touring screen on. So you've got your touring screen, you've got your top bag there, the old rear bag. Gorgeous bit of kit. Anyway, give me a start up. As standard, that noise. Absolutely fantastic bikes. Anyway, you've seen this beauty. All you need to do to get it bought is simply drop us an email, send us a Facebook message, or the easiest thing, just give us a call. Cheers guys, thank you.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.